Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can add the auto reply on the WhatsApp. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the WhatsApp. So I'm going to open this, and after opening the WhatsApp we have to go to this settings icon. So let's click on the settings, and after clicking on the settings we need to go to this business tools option. So let's click on this, and after that we have to scroll down and you will be able to see the greetings message. So we have to click on this and we need to make it enable. And as you can see here, you have to choose the receptionist, like everyone. I'm going to do this everyone, and now you have to write the message here. If you want to edit this, you can write whatever you want, and after that you have to hit the save here, and this will be automatically sent to whoever will send you the message. If you want to add the quick replies, you can also do that. As you can see, these messages are provided here. You can edit them and you can add whatever you want. So in this way you can add the auto replies on the WhatsApp, and I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.